I had such an exciting time. You know, I was on a farm, a big farm, and there were two little kids there, and they were really nice, and I was helping them do things, and then suddenly I looked up and I saw Miss Finch.
Hello, Big. But he's a bird. He'd be happier with his own kind.
We've got monsters.
Where monsters? You see monsters?
And kids.
Yes, definitely.
Well, he does seem to have a lot of friends. Not feathered, but...
Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Thank you.
Well, I've done it again.
Sure, boss.
Yeah, I gotta walk off some of this happy stuff.